In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix lag in CapCut PC. If your previews stutter or your timeline feels sluggish, these settings will make editing smoother without lowering your final video quality. Start by adjusting how CapCut previews your footage. Look just under the video player for the small three-line menu icon. Click it to open the preview quality options, then choose Performance Priority. This tells CapCut to prioritize smooth playback while you edit, which is especially helpful when you're working with high-resolution footage or multiple layers. You might notice slightly softer preview quality, but the trade-off is a much more responsive timeline. Next, we'll open the project settings so you can optimize performance further. Click on an empty gray area of the timeline. Be careful not to click on any clips, images, or text layers. When you click the blank space, the project settings panel appears. This is where you can fine-tune how CapCut handles your media during editing. Inside project settings, go to the performance section and turn proxy on. Proxies are lighter, temporary versions of your clips that CapCut uses just for editing. They don't change your original files. By using these lower resolution previews, your playback becomes far smoother, scrubbing is more responsive, and effects apply faster. Depending on your project size, CapCut may take a moment to generate proxy files, so give it a little time if you see it processing. After enabling proxy, choose a proxy resolution. For the best performance boost, select the lowest available option, such as 540p. This only affects what you see while editing. The timeline will feel snappier and you'll be able to focus on your cuts, timing, and effects without fighting lag. If you have a powerful computer, you can experiment with higher proxy resolutions later, but starting low usually delivers the biggest improvement. Once your settings look good, click Save to apply them. The changes take effect immediately, and you should notice a smoother experience as you play and scrub through the timeline. If you're already working on a project with multiple clips, scroll through to let CapCut finish generating any proxies in the background. A quick but important reminder, using proxies and a lower preview quality does not affect your final export. When you render your video, CapCut still exports at full resolution and full quality. These settings are purely for editing performance. That's all you need to do to fix lag in CapCut on PC. If this helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more quick, practical CapCut tips and tutorials.